Hello Vivites, I am Dr. Balu Kolar, MD in Ayurveda, and today I am going to energize you all with an innovative product from Indus Viva, which is a 100% natural health drink, iCharge. Unlike other energy drinks available in the market, iCharge is formulated with a unique, holistic and wellness-based approach with a mouth-watering taste. iCharge has numerous effects on the human body. It provides you instant energy and also gives you long-lasting energy for 6 to 8 hours in a day. Apart from this, iCharge also improves your alertness, your memory, it gives you relaxation, it also provides relief from anxiety and depression, and it is also known to have very good effects in the management of Alzheimer's disease. The driving force behind iCharge is Canna, botanically identified as Caletium tortuosum. Canna is also called as the herb of tranquility and is normally found in the bush forests of South Africa. Dating back to 1662, the tribal people of South Africa used this plant for the first time as a mood-altering substance. In South Africa, this plant is generally used for improving the alertness, increasing the memory, reducing the anxiety and depression, and the tribal people of South Africa actually use this herb as a snuff or even ate this or smoked this plant as a weed in order to produce a mild euphoric effect. Canna is a well-known herb for improving the memory and concentration while it reduces depression and anxiety. The activity of Canna is similar to selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors or SSRIs. Mesembrine is an important phytochemical which is present in Canna, which interacts with the neurotransmitters in the brain and reduces anxiety and depression. Apart from mesembrine, Canna also has other phytochemicals like mesembrenol and tortuosamine, which interact together with the receptors in the brain and enhances a chemical called as dopamine, which is very much required for inner pleasure. Canna is 100% natural and is not habit forming, and a person can safely consume Canna for longer periods. Apart from Canna, iCharge also has a unique composition of traditionally tested Ayurvedic formulations. They are Ashwagandharishta, Patrangasava, Drakshasava and Balarishta. All these traditionally prepared Ayurvedic formulations exert adaptogenic effects to iCharge, which will help in improving the psychological and physical threshold in the human beings. iCharge has numerous benefits on the human body. It also reduces your anxiety and depression, elevates your mood and keeps you in high spirits. iCharge is also very good for improving the vision. This is because iCharge contains the natural lutein, which is nicknamed eye vitamin. iCharge is very useful in cases like cataracts as well as age-related macular degeneration. iCharge also provides you long-lasting energy throughout the day and keeps you rejuvenated. In addition to this, iCharge is caffeine-free. Even though caffeine is a mild stimulant in lower amounts, regular use of caffeine can be habitual and can lead to depressive disorders. iCharge is also sugar-free. iCharge contains low-calorie sweeteners which have very low glycemic index. This is best suited for people with diabetes. In fact, iCharge can be taken by people of all age groups from pediatrics to geriatric population. For best results, iCharge can be consumed once or twice in a day irrespective of the meal timings. iCharge can also be consumed for longer periods of time without any side effects. iCharge can also be consumed with other medications. iCharge is like a rocket fuel which propels you to great heights. So, recharge yourself with iCharge.